Pretty much be showing you how to use this application here, like April stating. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here you pretty much see everything as it relates to your active plans and also the credit on your device. So if I tap on the top up option here, I can either top up credit via card, or if I have a voucher, I enter the information and I'm pretty much good to go. So I have to enter my number here and I'm pretty much good to go. I can also go in the store option, tap on plan and bundles, and here I can activate plans on this scene here, so you can see the plan prices. Not that expensive, and also you have other plans here as well, but you just have to scroll through and see what you want. And over the active section, you're gonna see the active plans. So if I go back here, you may see plan gifting option, which you can send your friends and family plans. All you have to do is enter the purchase person number, or if you already have them in your contact list, then just add them here. And once you've done that, you pretty much select the plan that you want to send them. Be greeted with the same note here, and you have to just select whichever plan you want to send them, and you're good to go. But do ever make sure you have the required credit to do so. They don't charge any extra fee in sending any plan to anyone. It's completely free. So you have also the top up options I said before. You can top up with it in your card, or if you already have a credit that you buy at the store, then you can top up with that as well. So if I go back here, you can also go in the bill section and see other information like your activities and so forth. In the menu option, you have the plan gifting, which I've discussed earlier. Also, you can get a Disney Plus subscription using this application here, but you have to activate it. So that's pretty much it for that. There we have some offers for you. These are the special offers that Digicel gives you. Nothing much for that. And you have the Swift Pay option, which pretty much gives you a faster way of making payment as it relates to credit and so forth. Nothing much for that there. And a bit of games you can play with on this application here to gain credits and also cash. So you have the spin to win option, and if I go on the home section here, you have some other spin to win, chance to win and so forth. Here you have a Premier League thing here. Nothing much for that, but for this year you have the spin to win and you have some more games here as well. So very easy application to use. And if I go here where it says advanced service, down here I can request credit from someone, or I can say please call me by just tapping on request please call me, enter the person number, and it's pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And as well, you can go in the manage account section and pretty much add more than one account. If you have 2 Digicel numbers, you can go ahead and tap on add account. And that's it. You can also go ahead and change the name of the account that you have. Let's say you want to call it SIM1 or SIM2. All depends upon you. So that's really pretty much for this application. It's very, very straightforward. Nothing hard for you to not understand, guys. And here you may see your active plans, and it will just tap on show all. We'll just carry to this section here. So very easy app to use. If I miss anything, you have any questions, comment below. And to log in, you pretty much have to have your numbers and a code, and you get a code in into the code you're supposed to be to go. But if you have any problems, do comment below. See if I can help you from there. Well, that's it, guys. See you in the next one.